Hi, good afternoon. I'm Garuda Prasad. She is my wife, Geetha Prasad, and I'm basically a chartered engineer. And now I had a small dwelling in BTM layout. I had to somehow, because of the environment, I had to sell my individual house. Then I came here, and I also have a roof garden. I'm maintaining it. Then we were looking at some place where we can have little bit of land wherein we can have our own garden plus a dwelling for living. So while doing that, we searched many properties, and in fact, to tell you mostly, I am attracted by South Bangalore. I stay here more than 30-40 years. Now in searching, so we found this Puravankara Smiling Willow. Then we saw that the design of that, which comprises of good lot of waterways and meditation centers for senior citizens like us basically, and approachability to the nice road is very nearby, so we need not go through the congestion of the city traffic, and so we liked it. Then we ventured to find out the constructional details, how Puravankara does it. We got quite a few positive remarks, wherein the construction of Puravankara is very good when compared to other similar builders in Bangalore or in the whole of India. So after looking at this, we selected one villa which is very nearby the club and in front of the waterfalls, which is one of the attractions of this community. And so finally we decided to go in for a three-room villa of B type. So that's how we came to know about this Puravankara, this particular smiling sound, and fine. I hope things go good and we live here happily, comfortably, calmly. Thank you.